Going on, my dudes? This is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about proving quadrilaterals. It's just a lot of vocab today. So the first one is if I have a parallelogram and I draw a diagonal from B to D and draw a diagonal from A to C, they'll cross, and the split in the middle from B to this cross point will be the same from the cross point to D. And in the opposite way, A to this cross point will be the same from the cross point to C. Some words that we can use for proofs when talking about quadrilaterals is we could talk about parallel. Then we could say these are parallel and then the opposite are parallel, so this is a parallelogram. We could talk about congruent sides. If these two are congruent and the opposite are congruent, then we know it's a parallelogram. We could talk about the angles. If opposite angles are equal and opposite angles are equal, we call them congruent. And then if one side's parallel and congruent, then we know that these will be parallel and congruent. And if we know bisectors cross, we know it's going to be a parallelogram. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.